If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day. While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. Oh, let me know. Do you know XLOV like that? I only know that one bend back move. That's all I know. So this is gonna be the first. All right, let's go. XLOV, I'm gonna be MV. Oh, wait, what was his name again? The first guy that they showed from Boys Planet. I was rooting for him too. This guy right here. I forgot his name. What was his name again? Chat, let me know. I'm waiting for chat. Wumati. Yes.
You know it's not a game. Reality 깨어날 수도 없지.
Oh my God.
Yeah, just think about this. 그저 신호가 올 때까지.
Ooh, with that bass. Oh, God damn. Who? Wait, hold up. What's happening? Who was the one that bent his back? Who was the one that bent his back like that? Hold up. Hold up. Rui? Him? Oh my God. What a transition shot. That kick. Yeah. Okay. Set the tone. Oh, I did not expect this drop.
So just sit and down and watch it. 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 down and brand it. I'm your wish. 이제 시작이야.
Oh.
A cat, but I can't help for that. The gun for my head is that
oh my God. Lie. What is that? Vegetables in the background? I like how it creeps up on you. Oh my God. I'm blooming on a rain and I'm dancing on a pain. Oh, I can take it if I want it.
Silly girl, baby, here I come and get it. 예고편이뿐이야, so just sit and down and watch it. 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 the town and burned it. I'm your wish, 이제 시작이야. I'm a beer.
Ooh. Okay. Who is this guy? The one in the middle. He's like tanned. Hyun? They got something, that's for sure. Did you say debut? Oh my God, is that it? What? XLOV, everybody. Wow. Yo, give it up for XLOV, yo. Applause. And they ate. And that's the end of the story. And they're gonna continue to eat, it seems like. Anyways, thank you, XLOV, for that. Oh my goodness.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JRE Gaming. I'm there every day.